Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 133 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and answers. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about Alaskan cruises out of Long Beach. Can't bring anything homemade for the crew members? The video you used to be able to get on the cruise. Seat toppers for potty training the kiddos. And free drinks for the golden child.
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser asked if there's any possibility that if Carnival will ever offer an Alaskan cruise out of Long Beach, California. John said they have done them before, but they are usually longer cruises, 10 to 14 days, or journey cruises as they call them now. He also said they don't have any plans to do them right now, but hey, you never know. Let's see what the future holds. So, no Alaska out of Long Beach. This cruiser asked John, a while back John said you can't bring anything homemade on the boats for the crew. And they wanted to know, does that include paper craft items like mini albums or journals or stuff like that? John said those are absolutely wonderful and thanked them for even thinking about doing it. He is referring to home-baked goods when they talk about homemade items. Anything food-related must be in the original packaging. So this cruiser sounds like they want to make like cool little personalized things for the crew, and that's amazing. So if it's food and you like to bring food, you can't. Sorry. Speaking of like, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. On to question 3. This cruiser said that many years ago, pictures on the cruise line would have a video production. So at the end of the cruise, you can buy a CD with the head stills on it and little videos. CD, I know, I'm old. For that particular cruise. They want to know if he thinks that would ever be coming back for sale. John said, no, he doesn't. They're definitely not coming back. He did say it was brilliant, but these days everybody has their own camera. They got their own phone. They're doing their own thing, their own YouTube channels. But I would imagine it definitely got less and less popular as time went on. Because like I said, it was a CD you can buy. If you did it today and it was an upload, you got to buy, the little USB storage devices, stuff like that. While I think it's cool, they have absolutely no plans of bringing that back. Question 4. This cruiser was bringing a toddler and they wanted to know what, if any, seat topper would fit on the toilets in the cabin for potty training the kiddos. John said he doesn't know the actual size, but he does know that they actually provide them on the ship. I didn't know that. A, don't have kids. B, never seen that question asked before. So if you need one, just write to John 2 days before your cruise with the ship and cabin number, no booking number, just ship and cabin number, and he will get one sent to the room for you. So there you go. And the last question. This cruiser has a child that is turning gold on their next cruise. Pretty cool as a kid. As adults, they always get their complimentary, God, I can't say that word tonight, drink on cruises 5 days or longer, but it'll be a first for their kids. So can they get like a milkshake from the coffee shop, or do they have to get an alcoholic drink? That part was kind of weird. I guess if the parents want to do it, they can just use that card. Anywho, John said, absolutely, you can go to the coffee shop, any one of them on board, and the kid can get a milkshake, so as their complimentary drink. Pretty cool. So that's been episode 133 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.